Forex capital management for beginners. How to avoid losses and maximize profits. Welcome to today's video. If you're new to Forex trading or still trying to figure out how to manage your capital effectively, this video is just for you. Managing your trading capital is one of the most critical skills every trader must master. In this video, we'll dive into some beginner-friendly strategies to help you avoid unnecessary losses and maximize your profits in the Forex market. Why is Forex capital management important? When trading Forex, the goal isn't just to make profits, it's also to protect the money you already have. Many beginners fall into the trap of overtrading, risking too much on a single trade, or failing to set stop losses. Without proper capital management, even the most promising strategy can lead to significant losses. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Risk management rules. Learn how to calculate the right lot size and determine how much of your account to risk per trade, generally 1 to 2%. Using stop loss and take profit levels. Discover how these tools can help you limit losses and secure profits. Avoiding overleveraging. We'll explain why using too much leverage can be dangerous for beginners and how to use leverage wisely. Diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Understand why you should spread your risk across multiple trades. Developing discipline. Emotional trading is one of the biggest reasons traders fail. Learn tips to stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. If you're ready to start your Forex journey with confidence, check out the link in the description or pinned comment to open an account with one of the most reliable and trusted Forex brokers in the industry. A good broker can make a huge difference in your trading experience by offering tight spreads, excellent support, and fast withdrawals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to checkmark like this video to support our channel. Checkmark subscribe for more Forex trading tips, strategies, and tutorials. Checkmark share this video with anyone who's starting their Forex journey. Got questions or need further clarification? Drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Let's build a community of smart and successful traders. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your trading game. Open your account today using the link in the description or pinned comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Smile.